guy's throwing the car literally at everybody. I think he's drunk or something is wrong with him. I'm gonna show this to the police station, see what they can do about it. Look at the guy, he's driving like a maniac, driving like a maniac. Look, driving like a maniac, driving like a maniac here. Driving like a maniac, going from lane to lane, 5, 6, 7 lanes. He don't care. He's putting everybody's in risk. Check it out. Hopefully the police can do something about this guy. He was throwing the car at me back there. I just couldn't record that. But look at the guy. Oh my God. Look at it go. Look at him go. Oh my God. Look at him go, man. That guy is crazy. That guy is crazy. Look at him go, boy. That guy is completely out of control. Completely out of control. That guy is completely out of control. Watch it. Watch him go. Watch him go. Watch him go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Oh, boom. Oh my God. He cut him off. He cut him off. Oh my goodness. That guy is gonna kill somebody in the street. The guy is gonna kill somebody in the street. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's gonna go. He's gonna go. He's gonna go. He's gonna take that light. Watch. Oh boy. He took the light. He ran the light. Wow. Crazy people in the street, man. Crazy people. Hopefully he doesn't have a gun. But I'm gonna take this video to the police station. Putting everybody's in risk, man. This guy is a maniac. Look, he thinks I didn't see him turning there. Okay, here we go. Safe turn.
175, 175.
Alright, where'd he go? 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 Where'd he go?
3352, 3352.
Has to be around here. He couldn't go far. Crazy boy.